VizRecruit is a clinical-based application proven to expedite patient enrollment. The Recruit application is embedded into clinical workflows to alert research teams of potential candidates with detected disease of interest and connect research teams to patients' clinical care teams. Approximately 80% of trials fail to meet enrollment timelines. VizRecruit is uniquely positioned to accelerate enrollment. With the custom AI analysis of hospital imaging, we are able to identify in real time candidates in the hospital system that are eligible. The research team is instantly alerted and can connect the patient's clinical care team on trial candidacy and referrals directly on the app. The Viz platform is already embedded in over 1,200 hospitals and trusted by over 10,000 providers. As you see here, Viz has the ability to identify patients, allow for pre-screening, communication and collaboration through the app, as well as the ability to enroll and track patients through a dashboard. Viz has a proven track record of success, including 3 times accelerated enrollment, 2 times increase in productivity, 30% reduced patient screening time, and 50% reduced rate of screen failure.
AI has really changed the way that we look at our imaging, evaluate patients, but more importantly, I think it's expanded our ability to screen for patients in our clinical trials. We at our institution are involved in a variety of trials, including ICH trials, and Viz AI has really helped us access patients early to screen. It has improved the ability for our residents, PAs, NPs to identify those patients, to document for the trials, as well as to evaluate and get patients to the operating room sooner than we would have otherwise with the alerts that are notified.
I think one of the big problems or one of the big issues in clinical trials is standardization of data and data collection and analysis. AI and machine learning have a lot of potential to do this faster, more consistently and more reproducibly. For instance, with image analysis, classification and detection are huge, can be huge problems and can be very work intensive and labor intensive. By applying machine learning algorithms and AI, you can automate these processes and take tasks that would normally take half an hour for a human to do down to seconds. And when you have to accrue a lot of data and analyze that data, I mean that can be very, very burdensome to do for one human. So by automating a lot of these processes, I think we're going to streamline data collection, data analysis, and allow for more collection and more analysis, which is what clinical trials need.
Research work is a completely sort of different part of the hospital. It goes through different channels, and as I always call it, it's more pure, because here you want to bring a study to the patients, and you have study requirements, you have already a predefined protocol that you want to follow, but here you have challenges in terms of who is part of your research team. It's more of an FTE issue, I think, than getting stakeholders buy-in. Presumably people who would use VizRecruit will already have some experience with Viz, or perhaps not, but it would be all centered about that specific project. And therefore the team that will be part of it will be just the research team and those people who will be as part of the investigational platform. And so here it's making the life easier for that particular team and boosting enrollment, not having to manually screen patients. So I think it's a little bit more contained and different issues that come about and different concerns when it comes to trials or investigational products.